Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky is preparing cute, heart-shaped Valentine's Day butter cookies. These simple, delicious and crispy butter cookies have been cut out using a heart-shaped cookie cutter, and they are a fun snack to use for Valentine's Day parties and gifts. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, the taste of the cookies will depend on the quality of the butter and the vanilla extract used. Also, use the ingredients at room temperature. The method. So add butter which has been softened and sugar to a large mixing bowl and whisk until light and creamy. Then add in the egg and the vanilla extract. Continue to whisk. Now sift in the plain flour, the baking powder and the salt only if required. It all depends on the butter that you are using. Mix well to combine. Knead and bring it together to form a dough. Drop the dough onto a floured surface and divide into two portions. Place the first portion of dough between two sheets of parchment paper and flatten it out. So roll out the first portion of dough approximately half a centimeter thick. Then place in the fridge for 30 minutes to allow the dough to harden. Similarly, flatten and roll the second portion of dough approximately half a centimeter thick. And again, place in the fridge for 30 minutes to allow the dough to harden. After 30 minutes, remove from the fridge and cut out shapes using a cookie cutter. Since it's Valentine's Day, we are using a heart-shaped cookie cutter. Place the cutout shapes on a baking tray lined with parchment or greaseproof paper. And once again, refrigerate for 20 to 25 minutes. While it's in the refrigerator, preheat the oven to the temperature shown and prepare the egg wash by beating together the egg yolk and plain yogurt. Then remove from the fridge and brush the tops with the egg wash that we just prepared. Draw patterns or lines on the tops using a pointed object like a fork, a toothpick or a skewer. Bake in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges turn light golden brown. Remember, the longer you bake, the crispier the cookie will get. Then remove from the oven when done and set aside on a wire rack to cool completely. Lastly, use your creativity to decorate the cookies with sprinkles and icing as appropriate for the occasion. So there you have it. Cute, heart-shaped Valentine's Day butter cookies. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other cookie recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.